araw na to, Monday, September 4, 2023. Ang aga namin pumunta ng shop, 5 AM. So, dahil malakas ang ulan, cut din ng klase. At dahil medyo late na nag-announce, eto na guys, pinauwi na sila ng 7:30. Ang pasok kasi nila is 6 AM to 12 PM. Dahil sa malakas ang ulan, mula nung Thursday, walang pasok hanggang ngayon. Bye guys! Thank you for watching! Shout out to all my members. Inday Tet Vlog, Intro Kim TV, Bibi Barredo, Anpal Moria Japan Vlog, Malus Saludes, King Perez, Duck Lifestyle, Miss Flor Vlog, Nenet Vlog, G Japan TV, Gummy Bear Vlog, Sir J. Giao, Inday CJ Vlog, Mareng Chris TV, Rasmia Vlog, Pincha Official Vlog, Rose Pinay Vlogs, Nori Nori Channel, Flora TV Channel, June Rewind, Lani Tapiris Kitchen, Malaya in Japan, Angel Main Pajardo, and Kay Lilo TV. Salamat sa inyong pamember.